Hello everyone, this is Christine and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make one of Blackpink's favorite, the kimchi fried rice. So I have here samgyeopsal, pork belly. Let's cut this one. So we will cut this one into small pieces. So now, let's cook our samgyup. I did not put some oil kasi lalabas lang yung oil niya. So make sure to not burn the meat. So at this point, we are now ready to put the kimchi. Now let's put our rice. And let's mix. Now let's put the gochujang, Blackpink's secret ingredient. And mix. Smells so good. So this is done. This is good to go and ready to eat. Ayan. Kimchi fried rice inspired by Blackpink. Because I miss the queens. I hope they will come back soon. Yeah. There you go. So, thank you everyone. God bless. See ya. Bye.